It's time now for your Mowery Moment, brought to you by Mowery Clinic in Salina. Since 1934, Mowery Clinic has generously given back to the local community, sharing its time and resources with our area schools, charities, and businesses, proving time and again that you matter more at Mowery.
It is indeed time for your Mowery Moment, and I'm pleased to be joined in studio this afternoon by Dr. Chris Rupe. He is a general surgeon at the Mowery Clinic in Salina. Dr. Rupe, welcome into our studios. It's great to have you.
Thank you.
As a general surgeon at Mowery Clinic, I know you've been faced with a number of critical situations where your performance can literally mean the difference in saving someone's life. So what kind of mindset does it take to keep your poise and composure in a situation like this?
Fortunately, many situations I encounter in my career are not life-threatening, and I am prepared for those that are because I have a great team that I am a part of at the Mowery Clinic and in the operating rooms I work at SRHC and the Salina Surgical Hospital. These teams help me and my partners, Dr. David Smith and Dr. Seth Vernon at the Mowery Clinic, take care of not only life-threatening illness, but illness that also affects someone's well-being. I think that poise comes from years of training, hard work, caring, compassion, and teamwork.
Well, it's nice to have somebody we can go to that can be there for us. And as we all know, breast cancer has had a devastating impact on so many people and their family members. And you've dealt with a number of breast cancer cases, Dr. Rupe. So what are some of the different ways you can help patients battle breast cancer?
Breast cancer is an unfortunately common disease, and as a breast cancer expert, I have been involved in many cases from the diagnosis to treatment to follow-up. The most important prognostic factor in breast cancer is the stage of the tumor, and thus finding breast cancers early gives the best prognosis. It's very important for women to get yearly mammograms, which we offer at the Mowery Clinic, to find cancers early. As a surgeon, I'm involved in breast cancer treatment early on, and I'm often the first person the patient sees after diagnosis. I help patients decide what treatment options are available and help them decide what treatment would be best for them. Breast cancer treatment is very customized to the individual patient. As a surgeon, I do various customized surgeries to remove breast cancers and work closely with other specialists in a multidisciplinary team to ensure the best cancer outcome and cosmetic result.
Very important work, Dr. Rupe. But believe it or not, folks, Dr. Rupe is not always facing down life-altering situations. Doctor, when you're away from Mowery Clinic, how do you like to spend your time?
I mostly enjoy spending time with my family. My wife, who is also a physician, and I have 2 children, ages 7 and 9. We are active in our church, active in our community arts with support of the Art Center and Community Theater, YMCA sports, where both my wife and I are volunteer youth coaches. We support local charities like the United Way, Salina Charities League, the Ashby House, Big Brothers Big Sisters, and many others. My wife and I are also strong supporters of ensuring the excellence of healthcare in our community. We do this by teaching and contributing monetarily to the Salina Medical School and Smoky Hill Family Medicine Residency. And it's not only me, but the other physicians in the Mowery Clinic are committed to supporting the future of healthcare in North Central Kansas.
Well, Dr. Rupe, do you ever get time to sleep?
Some.
Well, it sounds like you do a great job of staying busy, not only during your practice at Mowery Clinic and at Salina Regional, but also in your downtime, helping give back so much. And we really appreciate what you do for the Salina community while you're on the clock and while you're off of it. And thanks again for taking the time to come in today and share some of this with our listeners. Really appreciate it.
Thank you.
This has been your Mowery Moment, brought to you by Mowery Clinic in Salina. To learn about all of the services Mowery Clinic provides, go online to MoweryClinic.com or give them a call at 800-223-0845. For medical care, you matter more at Mowery.